Is factory reset a solution to malware?
Hello and welcome to another informative video. Today, we are going to tackle a very important question that many device owners ask. Does a factory reset remove all malware from my device? This is an important topic to address because malware can seriously compromise your data and your device's performance.
What is a factory reset?
First off, let's understand what a factory reset really means. A factory reset wipes your device clean, removing all data and returning it to the state it was in when you first bought it. This includes erasing all of your personal files, system data, applications, settings, and essentially every bit and byte stored in the device's internal memory.
Does a factory reset remove malware?
Now that we know what a factory reset is, let's answer the main question. In most cases, performing a factory reset will indeed remove malware from a device. This is because most malware is designed to infect operating system files and user data, which are wiped clean during a factory reset. However, it's important to note that this isn't a 100% foolproof method. Some advanced types of malware can persist even after a factory reset. These include types of malware that target and hide within a device's firmware or BIOS, low-level systems that aren't always touched by a typical factory reset.
What should I do to completely remove malware?
Since a factory reset might not remove all malware, you might wonder what to do to ensure your device is clean. The best approach is to prevent malware infections in the first place. This includes being careful about what you download, keeping your device's software up to date, and using reputable security software. If you suspect that your device is infected with malware, perform a full system scan with a trusted antivirus tool. If the malware persists even after this, a factory reset can be the next step. However, if you suspect your device has been infected with firmware or BIOS malware, you may need to contact a professional or your device's manufacturer for support. In conclusion, while a factory reset can indeed remove most types of malware from your device, it is not a guaranteed fix for all malware, particularly advanced types that can infect a device's firmware or BIOS. Always prioritize prevention, but when in doubt, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Stay safe and protect your devices.